welcome back today. There was just a thunderstorm. I had a soaking wet. He's playing football. Mate! Woo! Basically, not.
You talk to them when I do kick-ups.
Okay. She is kind of bad at kicking. But will you hold the video for me? I want to do my kick-up. No! I'm really good at kick-up.
Oh, I messed up.
He's really good. Wait, did you just hear that noise?
By the way, there was raining before and one of her fake nails broke.
Yeah, look. And one of them came off. Sadly, so yeah.
And she took loads of minutes putting them on.
I know, right? Because my hand's going almost crusty now.
She was doing it for
An hour, like 3/4 of an hour.
yeah.
Because the glue keep breaking.
Then she realised she's done a YouTube video, and then she realised how to do it. So it took 5 minutes.
I'll get it. Pass. To the camera.
Which machine?
What the heck? Bend the window again.
Well, not that window though. There's no one in there.
Right, I just swear I just heard another noise.
Yeah, let's go in
It's like that, something. I don't even know. Sorry. Look, I found a drink. Oh, it's half empty. Wait, I'm gonna never try this at home, guys. This is my drink. I just put it to the side, by the way, guys. Where's your drink?
What? Wait. What? Why is there a drink here? Why is there just a random stunky wonky drink here? I'll drink it.
He's drinking the drink. By the way, I don't know whose this is.
Oh, hell no!
Oh.
Try some.
By the way, subscribe.
You can hold the camera now.
I love the camera.
Why did the light turn off in there?
You just keep it still for a minute while I go past. It's the football box.
No problem.
I love the rainbow things. Oh no, I actually don't. Did you pause it? No. I actually didn't.
Oh!
Oh!
Wait, is this the first time I
Yeah.
Wait, record me.
Yeah. Whoa. Guys, I just heard the noise. Again. Can I go check it out?
Why is the water? No, Lucy.
Yeah?
Why is there water?
What? Oh my god. So, I'm going to have a look. Stop kicking the football. No! My coat. Well,
Oh, it's messy, wonky, stinky donkey.
hey, Jacob. I feel like I'm going to faint.
A what?
I'm going to faint.
Wait, what? Hold up here.
Oh, what happened?
John, Mum. What happened?
You fainted.
How?
How do you feel?
Where?
Like weird. Well, we just forget every the monster, like that noise even happened. Even if
I
we
just heard it again. I'm not forgetting this. You know what? You know what? What's my name? What's my name? Let's see. Say it loud. Yeah. Do you not even know how to count? Stay there for a minute, guys. Oh, what's that? Lucy? Lucy?
what? Trying to fill out a wall.
It said, you messaged this thing. I'm not kidding.
Okay, I heard that. We can go figure this out. Come on, guys.
Yeah, forget this ball. Just put that up there.
Bye-bye.
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 By the way, I went to Old Trafford. Go and watch that video.
Yeah, go watch it. It's amazing. He went.
For sure, it's 57 seconds.
Ah!
Okay, give me the camera. Oh, that was terrifying.